So far, we've seen variables, arrays, functions, but what if we want to store multiple types of related data in one place? Let's say we want to store details about a person like their name, age, and profession. We could do this using multiple variables, but this becomes messy, especially when we want to manage data for multiple people. That's where objects come in. So what is an object? An object in JavaScript is a collection of key value pairs. You can think of it like a real-world object. For example, a phone has properties like brand, color, and price. In JavaScript, we write it like this. Let person equal sign, curly brackets name, John, age, 22, profession, developer. Here, name, age, and profession are called keys, or properties. John, 22, and developer are their values. So this object stores all the information about a person in one single variable. And now, how you can access object properties? You can access values using two ways. First, dot notation, console.log, person.name. And this will print John. Or you can use bracket notation, console, log, person, square brackets, and property age. Both do the same thing. But bracket notation is useful when the property name is stored in a variable or has special characters. You can also update and add new properties, like this person.age, equal sign 22. So this will update the person age, and if we want to add new property, we can do person.country, equal sign America. This will add a new property. And you can also get and print all properties in console. Here's how to loop through all keys in an object. We use a for loop, so we can do like this for let key. You already know about for loop, right? So now there's one new thing, which is in. So what we are doing here, we do for and create a variable name key. You can name it anything, and we say in person. So this person is our object, right? And now under brackets, we do console.log key, and to give space, we do this, and this will print like this. So what's happening here? KeyThis gives you each property name, also called a key, of the object, like name, age, profession, country, person key. This gives you the value stored in that key, like John, 22, developer, America. So objects are useful when you want to group related data, you want better structure and organization in your code. You're working with real-world data, like user details, product info, etc. And later, when we start our Discord.js series, you'll see that objects are everywhere. From storing user data to handling settings and configurations. And you might be thinking, can't we use for each here just like we do with arrays to print everything? And the answer is no. For each only works with arrays, not with objects. But don't worry, you can convert an object into an array and then use for each. Here's how. First, we'll use object.keys with the name of our object, and then for each like we normally do. Inside for each, I'm using the name key, but you can write anything here. Then we simply write console, log, key, person key, just like this, and it will give you the same result. So make sure to practice this, create your own objects, and try accessing and updating their values. And don't forget to join the Discord server where I post daily JavaScript tasks, and you can connect with other learners and developers.